Sculpt your body in just 10 minutes a day. That's the approach one fitness expert is taking, claiming his clients get leaner bodies along with a brain boost. Our food and fitness coach Lori Corbin takes a look.
You can train the brain from left to right, from front to back, forcing the brain to think. Third one, from your senses.
Frustrated trainer Michael Gonzalez-Wallace had bored, unproductive clients, a bad combination. So he created a multitasking workout called Super Body, Super Brain. Like brain teaser exercises, learning movement stimulates the brain as well and appears to increase neurons and activity in different areas of the brain. It also sharpens sensory skills as portions of the program are done with your eyes closed.
I've done bicep curls before, but closing your eyes, it just took... It made it so much harder. I had to work my core more. I felt like I had to stabilize my ankle more.
When you close your eyes, you're literally seeing with your brain. Your brain has to visualize, create new memories, say what is going on out there.
With names like the owl, the eagle, the hawk, he creates exercise circuits that improves things like balance, coordination, and strength in as little as 10 minutes a day.